Hey there folks, it's Chet from Tag Along with Chet. Well, winter's approaching and I thought I'd try something new here on preheating my airplane for the winter, even though it is in the hangar. It is a unheated hangar and it'll require some heating for the engine at some point. So I waited for a sale at Princess Auto, and they had a sale on, I think it's still on this week, and it was one of these heat stars. Now this heat star, it's 38,000 BTU and it runs on propane. So as you can see, I have a propane tank underneath on this table that I built. This is the unit, heat star, as it says 38,000 BTU. And let's plug it in and see how noisy it is. So before I plug it in, turn on the propane. Okay, the valve's on, plug it in. Okay, engine's running. So I'm standing right beside it here, so hopefully you can hear me. Basically, you depress this. It's much like a barbecue starter. Depress this button here to allow the gas to flow through. The fan has to be going first though. And then just depress this red switch out here, and it's the igniter, and that'll get it going. Now the heat that it blows out is 38,000 BTU, which is more than adequate that I need for heating my engine. Now what I normally do is, in order that none of the warm air escapes, it kind of gets contained within the cowling, I'll take a pillow, small one, and I'll just stuff it in. Something like that. So what that'll do is just eliminate the air from popping out the front end and keeping it contained within the cylinder, or within the cowling area. And the same for the other side here. Now what I'll also do is, once I finish on the right side, I'll just go to the left side, open it up, close the other side, and do the cylinders on this side. Now previous to getting this heat star, which is 38,000 BTU, I had this Remington 70,000 BTU. Unfortunately, it runs off diesel fuel. It stinks. It's a real, basically a pain to fuel up, as well as the filters seem to get clogged all the time, especially if you're using straight diesel fuel. And to take it all apart just to get at the filter takes probably about a good half hour, and a lot of, well, I just wasn't happy with it, let's put it that way. It's okay for heating something like within the hangar itself, but and it was really noisy. So hence I went with the heat star, which is a lot cleaner, it's a lot quieter, and I'm very pleased with it. So if you're in the market for a heater, I got this for 110 bucks, I think it was. Yeah, it was $50 off. And I just used my propane bottle from my barbecue, because I won't be using that in the winter. and it's still about 3/4 full. And as you can see, for ease of transportation, I've got some rollers underneath